Welcome to Specialist Cars Stoke. Are you looking for a high quality used car? Are you looking for a dealer who's going to look after you? Specialist Cars, established since 1997, only offers high quality hand-picked used cars. None of our cars are sourced from car auctions. Majority are bought direct from local private owners. Only the best cars get through our system. We only buy the best, so we supply the best. We have a vast range in stock at any one time, all prepared to the highest quality. Attention to detail is what it's all about. Prestige, sports, executive, first-time cars, we have the full range in stock. All fully HPI checked to ensure there is no outstanding finance, no major damage, no hidden history. Our website has full HD video of every car to give you the confidence to buy your car direct from Specialist Cars. You can buy 24/7 off our website. Customers travel to us from all over the country. Multi-award-winning dealer. Great finance, always available direct from ourselves. Same day drive away. We create raving fans. These are customers who come back to us time after time from all over the country. We welcome part exchange. Not only do we sell high quality used cars, we buy high quality used cars. If you're selling your prestige, sports, family car, your pride and joy, we'd love to buy it. We offer top prices for top cars. So next time you're thinking of selling your car, don't part exchange it into a main dealer. Sell to us. More than likely we will pay you a higher price and make it very easy and simple for you to sell your car. We only want the best and we will pay the best prices. Don't sell to any online companies. We will make the process simple and easy. We also have full on-site workshop facilities, MOT station, dedicated tyre bay, so we can look after you and your car from the moment you buy from us. Specialist Cars and Harris Motor Company, Stoke on Trent, here to look after you 6 days a week. Visit our website autochange.co.uk or call us on 01782 822 700. Prestige cars, small cars, big cars, remember, we can help you with all your motoring needs. Harris Motors, servicing, repairs, MOTs.